Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see the grid lines which I've previously applied. It is because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So let's tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings here. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and here we've got Restore Default Settings option, so let's tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on OK. And as you can see, the camera settings flashed a little, and after getting back to the camera, we can see the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because this is the info we receive when we open the camera for the very first time, because here we've got welcome to camera and so on and so on. So let me tap on allow. What's more, here we can choose the select function for the shutter, so just let me tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got the camera without the grid lines, so it means that our device just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.